Hoisin ginger pork belly. Alright, I gotta put it away before I eat it. Isn't that pretty? Hey everybody. Welcome back to another episode. I know it's been a while. It's been quite a few months. So, such is life. I have some wild boar pork belly that I've thawed. I'm going to take out. I'm going to basically season. This is going to be a pork belly hors d'oeuvre, and I am going to smoke it for probably 4 to 5 hours. I'm just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm going to finish it in the oven so that it's nice and tender, but I'm going to finish it with hoisin, sesame, and garlic to give it the finished product. It's going to be a nice Asian pork belly. Let's get into it. So I have a tabletop smoker. You can see the natural. I'm going to cut it right here, and I'm going to have 2 pieces. That way it'll fit into my smoker more easily. Actually, that's the seam of the fat. So I'm going to go that way. I'm actually going to trim a little bit of some of this fat. That's the biggest fat strip right there. All right. I'm going to leave the rest. It's just a little bit of salt. Hey, Randy. There's your leaves and twigs, buddy. Just kidding. It is black pepper. If you grind the black pepper, yes, Randy, it will definitely be a more stronger, vibrant flavor. But going up against smoke, I don't think people are going to be able to tell the difference whether it's freshly ground or ground for me. All right. Now I'm going to set up the smoker. That's it for that. Little salt, little black pepper, little ground garlic. I looked outside and my smoker is actually producing a fair amount of smoke, and I am getting the wild boar belly ready. Just wanted you guys to see this. But this is all I'm going to do. I'm going to leave the fat cap up so it drips down through the meat. I'm going to let it go. I said 4 to 5 hours, but I think I'm probably going to do 3. And I want to braise it in a slow oven the rest of the way with the Asian seasonings on there. I just want to impart a good smoke flavor and get a good color to it and then pull it off. So we're going to go outside and put it on a smoker. Oh, wrong way. Like I said, we'll see how that turns out. We'll see in a few hours. All right, I've been gone 3 hours. I've been picking up the stuff I need to pick up. That's what it looks like, baby. That looks good. It smells really phenomenal. I just got my tongs, and we're gonna flip it over. That's looking good. All right, we're calling it here. I'm gonna go get the pan and we're gonna take it off. It'll be ready for tomorrow. That just looks so good. All right. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? We got our smoked pork bellies from yesterday. We're going to take them. Look at these things. These things are beautiful. And we're going to season them up. It's going to be pretty easy. Take our hoisin. And this is just going to be enough for to sit on the top of the fat, because this is presentation side up. I like using ginger, freshly ground. Well, fresh as processed can be, but it is a nice product. I've used it in the past. Saves a lot of time. Now see, this is a little bit too thick. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. I don't want to change the flavor. And we're going to add just a drop of sesame, maybe a quarter teaspoon. Then from there, on top, on top, put that aside. And then what we're going to do, gently massage it. I want to get it on all sides. Find a space for it. Then I want to leave a little water in the bottom, just so it doesn't stick. Cover it tightly. Here, set 325. I'm going to set it, actually, set it on the top and let it go. And we'll be back in 2 hours. See you then. All right, I pulled it out of the oven. We have an hour to go before it's served. That's Hoisin ginger wild boar belly. Can't wait to cut into it. Bring you in on that one when we do it. Got to go back to work. That's ready to go, baby. And I'll show you a couple pieces, and I'm going to sample one. Hoisin ginger pork belly. Alright, I gotta put it away before I eat it. Ready to go. Now I'm going to slice it up just at service. That's good at ambient temperature. Oh man, it's delicious. And you'll see a tray when I'm done. Alright everybody, this is going to wrap up our wild boar belly, which is smoked and seasoned with a Hoisin ginger sesame. This we served as an appetizer, as you can see. Perfect bite-sized pieces for the amount of fat to meat ratio. It was so rich, so flavorful, really delicious. Hopefully you get a chance to do it. If you don't have your own wild boar, you can do this with domestic pork belly and pretty much get the same results. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you on the next one. You guys have a good rest of your day.